man and days का concept, right? Let us consider a case. It's given that there are 4 men and they can do some work. Now, work can be anything, making a wall or yeah, anything, right? Any kind of work. And this 4 men can do this one work in, let's say, 5 days, right? 4 men can do this work in how many days? 5 days. Now, if I, let's say, double the number of men and keep the work as constant, if I keep the work as constant and double the number of men, how many days you will finish this work?
2.5 days.
5 by 2 days or not? The same work now can be done exactly in half an time or not? Yes? You understood this, why it will be done exactly in half time. And if you take half the number of men, then if 4 men can do something in 5 days, 2 men can do the same work in how many days? 10 days. Same work, right? Their work is constant. Now understand this. 4 is becoming 8 by multiplying with what? 2. So this 5 will become 5 by 2 when you multiply this with 1 by 2 or not? So if one thing is getting doubled, another thing is getting half. See now, this is getting half or not? 4 into 1 by 2 is 2. So this is getting doubled or not? So if one thing is becoming half, another is getting doubled. If one thing become 1/3, next thing, other thing will become 3 times. Such cases are called inversely proportional, right? They are inversely proportional. If one thing goes up, second thing comes down. So if I have to write, so men is inversely proportional to days, provided that work is constant. W stands for work. Work is constant, right? And if you have to find out how much will be the work, see what happened when you remove the sign of proportionality. This is called proportional, right? Directly proportional, suppose A is directly proportional to B, this is how we write. If I say A is inversely proportional to C, this is how we write. So directly and inversely. So when you remove the sign of proportionality, there is some constant which has to come, right? Something should be constant. Like in this case, you have work constant, right? The same equation, if I rewrite this, so then this will be what? Men is equal to work into 1 upon days. And if we have to find out work, so multiply this with this side. So men into days is nothing but equal to total work. Men into days is total work. So if I say 4 men can do some work in 5 days, right? So total work will be, yeah, this into this, not 4 divided by 5, right? Because they're inversely proportional, right? So 4 multiplied with 5 will give you 20. So 20 men days, right? If I take this case, 4 men is equal to work upon days, which is 5. So cross multiply this. So total work will be what? 20 men days. Now what is the meaning of this 20 men days? If you want to finish this work in 1 day, you require 20 men. And if this work has to be done by one man, you require 20 days. If I have to finish this work in 1 day, we require 20 men. If one man has to finish this work, he requires 20 days. From here, 2 men taking how many days? 1 man, 20 days or not? Right? And if I make this 1 day, then you require 20 men. Understood? So this is a concept of man days. You should know it.
So, what is the conversion formula for converting 9 days into June. Joules.
Physics not needed. फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेगा. Done. This you understood, right? This part is clear, all of you? Okay. Okay. Now what happened in this case, work is constant. But what if work is also changing, right? Twice of work, half of work, one third of work. If the work also changes. So in everything changes, that means nothing is constant. Then there is a relation, and that relation is M1 N1 over W1 is equal to M2 N2 over W2, where M1 and M2 number of men, women, N1 and N2 or number of days, W1 and W2 will work. Right? So what type of question can be framed from here? We'll see that, right? What type of question can be framed from here? Let's try to understand. If I say there are 5 men can do a work in, let's say, 8 days. 5 men can do a work in how many days? 8 days. Next is, how many men are needed to finish 3 times the work in 4 days, right? So here, see, nothing is constant. Men are also changing, time is also changing, and work is also changing. In second case, work has become what? 3 times, right? 3 times of the original. So if we want to solve this question, we have to use that formula. Right? Over there, in first case, how many men are there? 5. And how many days are there in first case? 8 days, right? 8 days. And work is, let's say, 1. Then in second case, how many men, let's say X men, are needed to finish this work in how many days? 4 days. Which work? 3 times of this work. So if your work is 1 in first case, it will become 3 in second case or not. If I change 1/3, right? So this work will become 1/3. If this is 1, this will become 1 by 3. Now you can solve it. 4 2s are 8. So it is what? 10 is equal to X by 3. And X is equal to how much? How many men are needed to finish the thrice of the work? Right? 30 men are needed. Sometime efficiency is also given. Efficiency is called rate of doing work. See, if there are, let's say, 5 people in this room, right? And if some work is assigned to them, so not necessary that everyone has the same capacity, same rate of doing work. Say if you have to, let's say, solve 30 questions, so some people can take 1 hour, some people can take 30 minutes to solve that, right? So everyone has a different speed. That is called efficiency. Different author use different way of representing it. The formula remains same. So when efficiency is also involved, let's say 5 men can do a work in 8 days by doing 3 units per day. 3 units per day, right? So efficiency, when efficiency is involved, then the same formula will turn out to be like this. Right? Where R is nothing but efficiency. R1 and R2 nothing but rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. R is called rate of doing work. Understood?
Output upon input.
Oh, alage. Where is Cynthia today? Where is Cynthia? Something's going on. College? SBI wala, please fill it and prepare it. You guys get it and then take internal motion and move. You have to, you should take this thing. I went to Delhi recently. The person who I met after graduation, his age is around 23, 22. The lowest package someone got over there is 42 lakhs. People of your age are making 42 lakh rupees a year. Sorry, not SBI. I'm just talking about, I went to an educational conference in Trani. Done this. This is done. We'll take up the questions on there, but then let me take another type of problem which commonly asked in this. Let's say there is a question which is given to you. A can take 10 days to finish a work. B takes 15 days to finish same work. A takes 10 days to finish the work. B takes 15 days to finish the same work individually, alone. If A and B work together, then in how many days work will be done? Right? It's not the average because their efficiencies are different, right? They're not working at the same efficiency. Because if A is taking 10 days, B is taking 15 days, that means B is slower. So don't take the average of 10 plus 15 divided by 2. First of all, cannot be, right? Average is different from the efficiency and rate of doing work. Yes. Can you tell me the answer for this question?
Yes.
I'll give you two approach. First approach is a conventional approach. Second is a better approach than conventional approach. And third is when you have a direct question, you can directly find the answers. Have you done such kind of questions school days?
Yes, sir. The six.
Correct. Okay. Let me explain you this. How you have solved this question in school, right? I'll tell you. In school, when we have solved this question, let's say total work is 1 unit, right? You have to assume that total work is 1 unit. Now, A can do this entire 1 unit in how many days?
10 days.
So then you find out A's
1 day work.
1 day work. This 1 day work is nothing but efficiency of A. That means if you can do some work in, let's say, 5 days, so per day how much you are doing, that's called efficiency, right? So this is called efficiency. Now what is the formula for efficiency? Right? Work done upon time. Time is number of days. How much is the work?
1.
1. And days? 10. So A's 1 day work will be what? 1 by 10 units or not? And what about B's 1 day work? 1 by 15 units per day, right? What is A plus B's 1 day work?
5 by 60 or 1 by 6.
1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. If A can do 1 by 10 units, B can do 1 by 15 units. So they're combined together, how much they will do? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Don't now this is not a good method to solve this type of question. What is the LCM? This will be 3 plus 2, which will give you what?
5 by 30.
5 by 30, which is equal to what? 1 by 6 units per day, right? 1 by 6 units per day. This is their combined efficiency. Now what you are supposed to find out? Time taken by A plus B. Now if you know that efficiency is work upon time, so time will be what? Work upon efficiency. So if I have to find out time taken by A plus B, then I also should know how much A and B together are doing. They are doing 1 unit, and efficiency of A and B is what? 1 by 6. Flip it. This will be what?
6 days.
6 days or not? So A and B can do this work in how many days? Don't note down this method. Right? They will take how many days? 6 days, right? See, this is a method which you used in school. Problem is, if you do a small mistake in finding out LCM, you're gone. If numbers are easy, fine. But I'll give you a better method. Right? Not saying that you should not find LCM, but you should know how to find out LCM. LCM तो लगेगा दोनों केस में. Okay. Now, see, we don't like fractions so much, right? If I ask you to add 2 plus 3 and if I ask you to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, which one you'll add first? 2 plus 3, right? Basic human nature. Whenever we have such question, right? First you find out total work by taking LCM of whatever number of given days you find out. Since in this case you can see 10 and 15, right? So find out total work as LCM of 10 and 15. What is LCM of 10 and 15? 30 units, right?
30 come in 10 tables.
You know how to find out LCM? There are various ways, but this let's go to school ways. How much? 5. 2s are 5, 3s are. Then 2, 1, 3. Then once you are left with 1 here, then you have to multiply everything. This will give you LCM. LCM is what? 30 units or not? Right? This is one way of finding LCM. Another way is like among these two, the bigger number is what? 15. Write down few multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60. And check with the second number. The second number divide 10. 15 is divisible by 10? No. So 15 cannot be LCM. is 30 divisible by 10. Yes, so this is their LCM. Any multiple of this will also be taken as not LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So LCM means L हटा दो तो CM हो जाएगा common multiple. तेरी भाषा में तेरे आंसर.
HCF is also there, no? Highest common
वो भी पढ़ेंगे उसके बारे में. Okay. Can you find out efficiency of A? Now, how to find out efficiency of A? How to find out efficiency? How much is the total work now?
30 minutes.
And time? 10. 30 by 10. 3 units per day. What is efficiency of B? 30 by 15, which is 2 units per day, right? Combine efficiency. If A is doing 3 units, B is doing 2 units, together they are doing how much? Very good. So efficiency of A plus B is how much? 5 units per day or not? I have to find out what? Time taken by A plus B. So time is what? What is the formula for time?
Work upon efficiency.
Work upon efficiency. What is total work? Total work.
Sorry, 5.
Total work by total efficiency. This also gives you what? 6 days, right? Right? This also gives you what? 6 days. So here you are removing the fraction. It's basically you're doing the same thing, but you are not using fractions, right? Directly using integers as to find your answers.
No, it is difficult. Multiple, it's not possible that.
Highest common multiple will be infinity.
Yes.
Now in this entire question, what is constant? Work, right? Work is constant. Both of them are saying the work. If work is constant, then men and days are inversely proportional. Remember that?
Yes.
So A can do this work in how many days? 10 days. And B can do it in 15 days, right? This is time. And days. Days means time are inversely proportional, right? What is the ratio of this? 2:3. Take this 3 here, take this 2 here. This is their efficiency. First, you simplify the time, then take 3 here, 2 here. Basically, inversely proportional, right? So, take inversely proportional. That means A can do how much unit? 3 units per day. And B can do how much? See? Understood? So this can directly give you efficiency. Now it is easy to find out, since A can do how much? 3 units per day. So if I have to find out work, so in one day A can do how much work? 3 units. A is working for how many days?
10 days.
10 days. So 30 units. Or you can find out from B also. B is doing what? 2 units per day. In one day, 2 units, right? 15 days, again 30 units. Directly get the work or not? Understood or not? If the efficiency is 2 units per day, so one day 2 units, 15 days 30 units. Now we got 30 units. 30 divided by sum of efficiencies, 3 plus 2, 5. 30 divided by 5, 6. You can save this sometime, right? When you have a direct questions. These are direct questions. You can save some time while solving these questions if you know that. कुछ नहीं. Okay. Next is right. Next is, I'm not writing the entire question, just A and B together can do some work in, let's say, 10 days, while B plus C can do it in 12 days, and A and C together can do the same work in 15 days, right? A and B can do this work in how many days? 10 days, while B and C can do it in 12 days, and A and C can do it in 15 days, right? See, if I just give you this much data and if I ask you who is the fastest or slowest worker, you can actually make an idea here. Who is finishing the work fastest? That means A and B can do this work in 10 days because both of them are doing work well. While B and C are taking how many days? Till 12 days. That means there is a probability. And A and C are taking 15 days. That means in this C is constant. So C will do his also own unit, right? So when B and C are doing this work, they are taking only 12 days. A and C are doing, that means they are taking 15 days. So definitely B is the highest among them. Second highest is A, the slowest is C. Right? Now my question is, first question is, if A, B and C together do this work, how many days they will take? And if A alone, B alone and C alone want to finish this work, how many days they will take, right? First thing, it's a combination of that thing. So don't cancel that like what we have done there. This will give you combined efficiency, not the individual efficiencies, right? So first is always find total work. Always find total work. So total work is nothing but LCM of 10, 12 and 15. I told you if you don't know, so write down the multiples of 15. So first is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and so on, right? Does 10 divide 15? No. 30 divides 15? No, sorry. 10 divides 30? Yes. 12? No. 45? 60? 10? Yes. 12? Yes. So 60 will be the LCM, right? So total work is what? 60 units. All of you understood this. Then what is efficiency of A plus B together? How much? 6 units per day or not? 60 by 10. B plus C. Five units per day or not? An efficiency of A plus C. Per day, right? See, this is called a kind of cycle in mathematics. You have AB, BC, AC, right? Everything appearing 2 times. Whenever we have such cases, right? Add them. Add all 3. So if you add all 3, so this will give you twice the efficiency of A plus B plus C or not? A 2A, B 2B, C 2C. It will give you there twice the efficiency or not? Which is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is 15 units per day, right? So what is the efficiency of A plus B plus C? 15 by 2 units per day. Anyone having doubt in this? How to find out efficiency? So if I find out efficiency of A plus B, so A plus B is doing how much unit of work? And time is So 60 by 10. Understood? Same goes for other thing. So efficiency of A plus B plus C is how much? A plus B plus C is how much? 7.5. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? 7.5 is clear? Okay. First thing you are supposed to find out time taken by A plus B plus C. What is time equal to? Work upon efficiency. Work is what? And efficiency of A plus B plus C is how much? 15 by 2. 15 by 2, which will become 60 into 2 by 15. 15 fours are how many days? 8 days. A, B and C together, if they want to finish this work, they'll take how many days? 8 days.
So we can do one thing also, like we can simply add the three equations. We get 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 37. Then A plus B plus C is equal to 37 divided by 2. Is that answer accepted?
That's why I told you, do not find the average thing or something arithmetic. मतलब arithmetic की तरह से नहीं होगा इसमें. एक फैक्टर नहीं, 3 फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व है. वर्क कांस्टेंट है. Men and days are inversely proportional. Now, suppose you want to find out the time taken by A, B and C alone. So if you want to find out time taken by A alone, since A has to do 60 unit of work, right? But you need to find out efficiency of A alone. What is combined efficiency? 15 by 2, right? Just 7.5. What is efficiency of B plus C? 5. And what is efficiency of A plus B plus C? 7.5. So can you tell me the efficiency of A? Yes? This 15 by 2 is nothing but equal to 7.5 or not? Right? B plus C is how much? 5. And A plus B plus C is how much? Good. So in place of B plus C, if I put 5 and if I take it to the other side, we'll get the efficiency of A or not? Understood? So what is the efficiency of A?
2.5.
2.5 units per day. 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2 units per day also. Right? Can you also find out efficiency of B in the similar fashion? What is A plus B? Sorry, what is A plus C? 4. And A plus B plus C? So in place of A plus C, if you put 4 and take it to the other side,
3.5.
efficiency of B will be what?
7 by 2 or
3.5 units per day or not? Which is equal to together A and B is how much? 6. And A plus B plus C is 7.5. So you can get the efficiency of C or not?
3 by 2.
Which is equal to?
3 by 2.
Can you find out time taken by them? See, you have to use A plus B is 6, A plus B plus C is 7.5.
Divided by total efficiency.
You can use this equation and this equation to get the individual efficiencies. 2.5 is 5 by 2. 2.5 is 5 by 2. If you add this equation, and this equation, this will have how many times of A? 2B and 2C. Right? So I'm adding this equation, and this equation. So on right hand side, this plus this plus this. Give you what? 15. Take it to the denominator, it will give you 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5. And then a plus b is 6. A plus b plus c is 7. So c is 1.5. Same way, you can use this to find out b, you can use this to find out a. Now, if I have to find out time taken by a, time taken by a is how much? 60 divided by efficiency of a, which is 5 by 2. 2 will go up. How much? 24 days. Time taken by b, 60 divided by 7 by 2, which will be 120 by 7 days. Cannot be cancelled. And what is efficiency of c? Sorry, time taken by c? It will work 60 divided by 3 by 2. How much? 40 days. Individually, they will take how much time? See, if you have to find out time, so for time, total work upon total efficiency. Efficiency is what? 5 by 2. That 2 will come up or not? Remember, if you have something, let's say 2 by 3 by 4, how you write this as? 2, and this denominator, when it comes to multiplication, it is 4 by 3. This is how it turn out to be.
8 by
So individual days, they will take 24, 120 by 7 and 40. Time taken individually. You know that C is slowest, so you will take the maximum time.
So we can't simply do like A if individual is 24 plus B. So 24 plus B is equal to 10. B is equal to
No.
reason being time and work are inversely proportional.
Supam, I need one more copy of that. Done this? Note it down? Keep one and pass it down. I'm getting one more copy. So you guys share two. I'll give you one. You have called me, then I called you back, and your phone was. आज बताना, आज करता हूँ. Okay, noted on this. Okay. Let me do the first question for you. Second, I have already done for you. First, A and B together can do a piece of work in how many days?
8.
And A alone can do the same work in 12 days. A and B together they are taking how many days? 8 days. And A alone take 12 days, right? A alone take 12 days, right? First, you find out total work. What is total work? LCM of 12 and 18. 12 and 8, sorry. What is LCM of 12 and 8? 24. So total work is 24 units. Pay attention, all of you. Is LCM part clear to all of you? 24 unit is clear. Wait. Efficiency of A plus B is how much? 24 by 8. How much? 3 units per day, right? And what is efficiency of A alone? 24 by 12, which is 2 units per day or not? If A plus B is together 3 and A alone is 2, how much is the efficiency of B? 1 units per day or not? If A plus B are doing 3 unit, A alone is doing 2 unit. So B is doing what? 1 unit. How much time A will take to finish this work? B will take to finish this work? 24 days. 24 units and 1 unit per day. 24 days. Done?
Work is equal to efficiency into time.